Hi, Matt Hillebrand, and I'm in front of a Whirlpool dishwasher. Now, this one is an older model. It's a WDF130 PAHS, but it's very similar to the current Whirlpool models, like the 332 would be a very similar piece to this. What we find with any of our dishwashers is that if you're not using them properly, you're not going to get good results. And really, first and foremost, it starts with the detergent that you're using. If you can use granular detergent, granular is always better, okay? If you are not using granular, then I would do the pods that are cake pods. So they're solid pods, not the liquid pods. Liquid pods are not good because if your temperature doesn't get high enough inside the dishwasher, and if you're not cleaning the filter often, those pods tend to really cause excessive service issues with our units, okay? But in terms of use and care, if you have a dishwasher like this Whirlpool that has the exposed element, you do not put plastic on the bottom. That would be a fire hazard. So there's a reason why on the plastic lids and plastic things, they say top rack only. And that's because of our exposed heating element. So you really just want to put dishes on the bottom, and once a month you do want to clean out the filter. So what's going to happen is if you're not cleaning this filter out, and like I said, this does need to be brushed off, you're going to get debris in your wash arms, and then it's going to ending up on your glasses and your plates. The other thing you're going to want to make sure, along with using either powdered detergent or your cakes, you always want to use a rinse aid. So if you have a dishwasher that has a rinse aid dispenser, you want to use it. Now this one's a little bit older, this one doesn't have it, but a lot of times on the side you'll see a little lid that unscrews, a little cap, and you want to fill that up with rinse aid. That'll help with drying on your dishes. And then from a cycle standpoint, this one is pretty straightforward, but you really just want to select either heavy or normal and then just hit your start. So if you have any questions about this model or anything else, be sure to go to donsappliances.com. Appreciate you watching.